tap, 4. So we're here, the leg is popped. We're gonna take our right leg, step, tap, and we're going in a circle towards the back. When you do that, you wanna make sure that your legs are low and your arms are just gonna slide with it. So the leg that taps, your arm goes out that way. Leg that taps, arm goes out. And then you wanna add a little style to it. You can even put your arms up and just have fun, just groove with it, you know? So let's try it. Our leg is here, then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 counts of those, and then you're just gonna freestyle until the chorus. 5, 6, 7, and 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5, 6, and then turn. So you got 2 counts, and then you're gonna turn into the next move. And he says, it's okay. So that's where the chorus starts. Before we go to the chorus, you know what we're gonna do? Add it all together. 5, 6, 7, everyone hit down sometimes. And 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, throw. And slide, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. All right, so you're halfway through with the dance. Now, let's get to the chorus. So after we turn, he said, it's okay. And then you're gonna hear drums, but you're gonna do 1, 2. So after K, 1, 2. After that, you're gonna jump back. So after 1, 2, jump. You're gonna jump back on your right leg, and your left leg comes forward, and then you're gonna bring it together. So 1, 2. Let's practice that again. 1, 2. Now let's add in the head, and then we're gonna throw in the arms. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's add the arms. 1, 2, 1, 2. And make sure we see the difference. It's like a seesaw. You're gonna go back and then up. You can add a little head tilt too when you go back. 1, 2. All right? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. 1, 2. As we know, repetition is good in dance, so let's go back to the top and add what we just learned in there. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1. Up, down sometimes. And 1, 2, knock. 1, 2, hit and slide. Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. I can feel the energy. All right. So after we come together, make sure it's really sharp. We want to see the difference. We want to make it seem like it was nothing. 1, 2. So after we pop back from that move, you're going to take your right leg and step out. You're going to say, what's up? So 1, 2, what's up? And it's actually pretty fast. So it's 1, 2, 1. Whoop. Don't lose your footing like I just did. So 1, 2, huh. And make sure that it looks like you did nothing really. You come back to that stance like you just did nothing. You just killed that move, and here you are. So let's do it with the head. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, back, and what's up, hit. So after the what's up move, we're gonna go right back to the side we just came from, and you're gonna do a little groove. So go back with your right leg, you're gonna go out, in, out, throw. So see what I just did? You're gonna twist out, twist in, twist out, and then throw. Your foot is gonna be flexed. Left foot in the air, it's gonna be flexed. It doesn't have to go extremely high, just as comfortable as it is for you. Throw it, and make sure when you twist, your head is gonna twist too. But this foot is gonna stay. So you're not twisting your whole body, because then you're gonna lose your footing. So here, twist. So once you can do that without falling, you know you got the move, and it's time to move on. So after 1, 2, 3, hit, you're gonna take your left leg and go 1, 2, right leg, 3, 4. That's just the legs itself. So you're here, then you're gonna add the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you're doing is, when you put your left leg down, both of your toes are gonna go up. Not quite like Michael Jackson, but something like it. So just get comfortable with that move. 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I think you got it. Now let's add it in to groove. 5, 6, 7, in. 1, 2, 3, hit, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. I think we did enough. So now let's go back to the beginning. 5, 6, 7, everyone hit down sometimes. And 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, throw and slide and pop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slide. Hit, hit. 1, 2, what's up? And groove. 2, 3, hit and rock, rock and rock, rock. Woo, that was good. All right, now let's move on. So after this, he says, feeling blessed. So we're gonna step out, shoulder width apart, and put up our prayer hands. So blessed, 2, down. It's 3 parts. So blessed, 2, down. Feeling blessed, 2, down. One more time. Feeling blessed, 2, down. So what we're doing is we're putting up our prayer hands. When we flip it upside down, our knees go down at the same time and our head. And then we're gonna switch the position of our legs and wipe off our sweat, let's say, because you guys are some hard workers. So we're gonna go blessed, 2, down. All right, so let's add it into the 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, feeling blessed, 2, and swipe. All right, so we got 2 more moves left. So we're gonna take the same arm that we just wiped our sweat off with. We're gonna go swipe, 2. So what I just did there was this left leg is popped up. So we're gonna take our right leg and go out and then switch. So left leg popped up, step out, step out. After that, while this hand is out, we're gonna take our left hand and wipe off some more sweat. So our right hand is out, take our left hand, wipe it across our face. So he says, feeling blessed, 2, hit, never stress, 2, swipe. Again, 5, 6, 7, feeling blessed, 2, hit, never stress, 2. All right, so let's add that with this part. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, feeling blessed, 2, hit, and 1, 2, swipe. We just have one more move left. So that move, after the swipe, you see that our right leg is straight. You're gonna take it and twist it inwards. So you're gonna start with the heel. You're gonna go 1 and 2. When you do that, it's gonna be a little bounce with it. So 1, 2. We only have 2 parts of those. And when your right foot is going in, your hands are gonna go, hey, 2. It's really your elbows that are doing most of the work. 1, 2. So when you do that, make sure you add a little bend to it, a little swag, you know. You wanna put your own personality into it, but you also wanna make sure that you're putting enough energy into it. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, feeling blessed, 2, hit, and 1, 2, hit, and bounce, bounce. So after that, you're free to do whatever you want for the last couple of counts. You can go in a circle, you can milli rock, you can do whatever you want, all right? It's up to you. This is you closing out the dance. So now that you have all the moves, let's go back to the beginning 2 times, and then we're gonna add the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Everyone hit down sometime. And 1, 2, hit. 3, 4, hit. And slide, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slide. Head, head. 1, 2, what's up? And rock. 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feeling blessed. Hit, never stress. And swipe. And 1, 2. Sunday best. Woo! Good job. So now that you fully got it, let's do it one more time and let's add that personality in there. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. 1, hit, down some, turn, and 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, throw, and slide, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, what's up? And 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, feeling blessed, never stress. And 1, 2, Sunday best. All right, so now that you have the moves, we're gonna add the music. Let's see what you're all about. I know you can do it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
You gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Cause everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days.
Your boy Ro, let's go. Listen up, yo, I got a story to tell. By the time I'm done, y'all gonna know it pretty well. We're going back in black history to see some African American achievements that came to be. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Martin, Rosa, and Thurgood too fought for equal rights to come true. They all shared one big dream for us to become a united team. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Anything is possible. Put your mind to it and you can do it. Broken barriers, justice for all. Made Jackie Robinson the first black man to hit a Major League Baseball. What seemed impossible became a dream come true. Magic, Julius, and Michael Jordan too. Traffic light, the filament for lights, created by African Americans. That's pretty tight. Bessie, the first license to fly, and made